Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. So let's start off with this makeup tutorial. So let's begin with the face, and this time I'm going to be using a cushion foundation by Amor Pacific and just placing it all over my face and blending it in with a damp sponge. Next, I'm using this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, applying it under my dark circles and sunspots. Using the same damp sponge. To highlight my key areas, I'm using Wonder Beauty Catch the Light highlighter. I'm just blending it with my fingers. To seal the concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Better Skin translucent powder. And you know, I always apply it on my T-zone where I get oily the most. Next, I'm using this bronzer by Glamour Dolls in collaboration with Lisa Frank, and using an angled brush to contour the face. Let's contour the cheekbones, forehead, jawline. Next, as an eyeshadow primer, I'm using this one by Urban Decay. I'm placing it all over my eyelid, and I'm just blending it in with this flat brush. And finally, I was able to grab this eyeshadow palette by Tarte. Now this is a toasted palette. I've been wanting to use it for the longest time, so I was able to get it on sale. Do you also love this palette? Let me know in the comment section down below. Let's begin by getting this more and applying it all over my eyelids. Next, going into Latte, and let's apply it on our crease. Next, let's add some warmth onto our crease with this fluffy brush. Now going right into Cozy. This is like a red brick shade, and I'm applying it on my crease and also my outer V. This eyeshadow blend effortlessly. Let's go in back to Latte and apply it all over our crease to diffuse any harsh lines. Now let's go into Fireside and apply it on our eyelid, like so. Let's go back into Warmth and bring some more warmth onto the eyes. Going back to Warmth again, I'm just going to place it in my lower lash line. And let's go right into Cozy again and place it on our lower lash line. And lastly, we're going to go back into Fireside and apply it in our lower lash line along our outer V. Alright, and once again, let's go back into Warmth. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using M Cosmetics Illustrative Eyeliner, and I'm using the felt tip. Also from M Cosmetics, I'm using their matte gel eyeliner and placing it on my waterline. Now let's go into Sunrise and Candle. Now these two shades, I'm mixing them both and applying them on my brow bone. Now for our inner corner, let's go right into Candle Only. For lashes, let's use the Wonder Beauty On Lash Mascara. And coat them lashes, girls, coat them lashes. Alright, so let's finish contouring the nose, and we're using the same bronzer that we used earlier. blush, I'm using the Clinique Cheek Pop Blush Pop in Ginger Pop, and just applying it on the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm adding more highlighter to my key areas. This one's by Physicians Formula, and these are the shimmer strips, Invega strip, and light bronzer. Now to complement the eyes, I'm going to be using M Cosmetics Infinite Lip Cloud. This is a matte liquid lipstick in the shade Faded Clementine. Now this is a velvety formula, so it does not dry out your lips at all. I love it. And we're finally done with this look, you guys. I love coral shades, anything like that. I just feel like it complements my skin so well. What do you guys think? Are you also loving this makeup tutorial? Let me know in the comment section down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure that you click the bell so you get notified when new videos are uploaded on my channel. Alright guys, I will see you back on my next video. Besitos, bye!